NDPK-32. Crack this bad boy open. Didn't know, this is how pretty much all lockpick sets come. Empty. This way. Okay. Lock drill or file hook. Not sure what that is exactly. Okay. All the different classic shapes. Some black ones, silver. Not sure what the difference is. Probably thickness, durability, maybe even resiliency of the materials. Doesn't matter, because I will probably only use the same 3 hooks and picks. But that's how everybody I've seen picks locks does. They're the most valuable tools in this set. These will retrieve any broken keys out of locks, worth their weight in gold. Those there. This is actually a really good rake too. I love these round ones. That's not a smart place. Those are sharp as shit. These are super thin, guys. Just stack those. So thin, they're hard to pick up. Okay, just about. These are pretty much trash in my opinion, but just in case. I guess I could always learn how to use them. Last ditch, last resort. Put the little wrench there, the big ones over here. Crap, what did he call? Hey, who are you calling?
I'm calling Cliff.
Not for me. I don't know what these are. Doesn't matter. That's it? Oh. This is a new one. I've never seen one of these before. I don't know if it's a wrench or these are tweezers or maybe it's meant to grab the top of a wide log. I don't know. Maybe I'll look it up. But it's an NDPK-32 unboxing and setup. See you guys later.